Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Karthik sir here. Today I am going to discuss regarding one very important matter that the students who write the C inter examination have a problem with. And that is, sir, for which question, which answer to write? No sir, we are not able to understand. The reason is कि एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ गया तो उसका आंसर क्या लिखना है वो क्लिक ही नहीं होता कि सर ये आंसर लिखना है. तो कॉन्सेप्ट सारे क्लियर है, याद भी सारे कर लिए, लेकिन कौन से क्वेश्चन का कौन सा आंसर लिखना है यही नहीं पता. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ ट्रिक. You have to use mind maps for areas which are having many answers. I'll give you an example. In chapter number 3 of CA Inter Audit, you have something called as materiality. Now, materiality के ऊपर एग्जाम में क्या क्या एरियाज पूछ सकते हैं, that I'll just show you the spread. Question number 1 is materiality and performance materiality concept. That is question number 1. Question number 2 is factors that affect the materiality benchmark. That is question number 2. Question number 3, that is relevant data for chosen benchmark किस तरीके से लेना है. That is question number 3. Question number 4 is concept of materiality in the context of preparation and presentation of financial statement is question number 4. Question number 5, factors due to which misstatements of lesser amounts can be material. Question number 6, revision of materiality. Question number 7, documenting materiality. Question number 8 is a short note on materiality and audit risk. And question number 9 is auditors' assumptions about the users of the company. So user के बारे में auditor क्या क्या assume कर सकता है. This last question, ninth one, may not be connected completely with materiality, but I include this for my students so that they don't forget this question. उनको याद रहेगा कि हाँ ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है, जिसके लिए हमें क्लास में कोड करते हैं और कुंजीत करके. But today I am not getting into the memorizing technique. I am getting into the fact that you should be able to identify the right answer for the question that is asked. Example, exam में आ गया documenting materiality पे लिखो. So because this chart will be clear in your mind, if it is clear in your mind, you will be able to remember, oh sir, it is that 5, 6, 7th वाला question है sir, ये 7 वाला question. So documenting materiality is question number 7. So in the class, when we use an excellent memorizing technique to remember that area number or question number 7 for materiality, student के दिमाग में वो click easily हो जाता. So I'm just sharing a small trick. How can you identify the right answer for the question? एक और चीज. Let's say exam में आ गया, sir, what assumptions can the auditor have about the users of the entity? This is question number 9 of materiality, जिसमें कोड है कुंजीत करके. कुंजीत मतलब the auditor can assume that the users have the K knowledge of business, economics, accounting, and the willingness to study is there. Auditor can assume that the shareholders understand that accounts are prepared and audit is done keeping in mind the materiality factor. Third, the measurement of judgments and estimates is there in accounts. Everything is not fixed in accounts. Estimates होते हैं accounts में. And the auditor can assume that the users can take proper economic decisions after the auditor gives his audit report. Now, this Kumjit code is a memorizing technique, but when the question comes in the examination, you have to first identify what you have to write. वो identify कैसे करना है? That is basically for which I am showing you this chart. For materiality, use this chart. This chart is basically having 9 areas. 9 areas. Now say it with me. Question number 1 is materiality and performance materiality. Question number 2, factors that affect materiality benchmark. Question number 3, relevant data for chosen benchmark. Question number 4, what is the concept of materiality in the context of preparation and presentation of financial statement? Question number 5, that is, can materiality be of lesser amounts also? Question number 6, revision of materiality benchmark. Question number 7, documenting materiality. 8, materiality and audit risk. And 9, auditor's assumption about the users. If you know these 9 questions here, no, or exam में materiality के ऊपर अगर question आ गया, you will exactly know what they have asked. And once you know that, with a good memorizing technique, you will be able to get the points properly. And I always tell you should have excellent writing practice done. If you want to score 80 plus in auditing, like how my past students have done, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you excellent tips on audit and law subjects. I wish you all the very best. Study well. If you like such videos, please click on the like button. Comment in the comment section that you are enjoying these videos. So I am also encouraged to upload more videos. Okay. I wish you all the best. Take care. See you. Bye bye.